So we said, if this is a choice list, we need a new list. We need list Manyen. I've said now, you keep the money on the account. Don't take it back to anything. Let's finish the elections. We shall get time to get list Manyen. List Manyen, oh yeah. Now finally, on the issue of wealth, the issue of restocking in Lango, Acholi, and Teso. The cows were destroyed by the wars here. So when peace returned, we started restocking. But then some lawyers came in and brought legal. We didn't think it was a good way. But as my young daughter, the deputy chairperson, was saying, I am already soft. I said, okay, if you think it will work, go ahead.
Achalo kile uki alomba amobero nyara tiri ukoriana chamara aye me winyotam ana ko ko pe kado chike na mati ko nen kita workere.
We gave them money 159 billion.
Otela me chente billion mia cheli pera bishu abomwe.
But we are not hearing any impact.
Obero chiku yirwa pera uno ngaduogi mere.
So I decided, let me call people from the area and we consult.
I called
the meeting, big meetings in Teso, in Lango, in Acholi. And they all said, most of them said, no, that's not a good way. Let's go back. They accepted my idea, which was, why don't you have all the households slowly come out of them?
Jodute doki tamari kana mi umekoni memi yugini teacher bear o mi lonyo duogudo bei pacha chela uchako mumod out tuni pacha ni dishu.
In the meeting in Solote, I said maybe 2 cows or 3 or 5. I was like that. Then my girl said, no, a beach.
Ichokere wa awana chake tesho kuja ko nyomi do kariyo nyode. Elfunga jore ko ipe a beach.
So I said, okay, let's try a beach. It will take time, but let's try it.
Ana re yeni ko porpe a beach kodo chaki kakano ari ento chaki kakano.
So I said, you go back and discuss it.
Akoni dogo ateko bini dogo no chen iwere wo tami yakina wo.
They went back and discussed with everybody.
Tedo chen tele yo tami yakina wa.
Then they reported. Teso reported first. They were for the household approach, the PDM approach sort of.
Jometesho enade kwa ndugu bora ginde yeni oti kere kila mauti ukere PDM.
And Lango reported also.
Lango dang tedu bora dang kere report.
Just before the campaign started.
Ede karagina ko lo copy no copy campaign cha harako.
When I was already on the campaign trail, the authorities came and found me in Western Ireland and also reported.
Copy no cha me campaign put po cha kare era do reporter duogo uno danda er worko.
That's why actually I had to miss the rally here. So I said, okay, since they have all agreed, that Monday, when I was supposed to address a rally here and another one in Kole, I went back to the cabinet to say, Teso, Lango, I should have now agreed with my proposal of Duchu instead of just the lawyer's list.
Ni inachelo mio kwa yokuirene me lira kante la ogere bien unide dokien me ukobi chogere me cabinet ni lao kire tesho kira choli uye chamano ana mio ni pokdon dok we would issue itesho ilao kira choli no kira chagere award momod.
So you need to be very careful with law. You can no longer backbite me. I hear.
An angeoni pebi ko kinore leblu an pania ye piana na winyu dushu.
I hear everything.
A winyu dushu.
So I had to go back to the cabinet and say, now our people have agreed. Now what do we do? Let's have a plan.
Ana de dokchen ichogere me cabinet atake jo wadu ye. tamano anamiyo amando otimo ngo.
Then I went back to the campaign.
Aredo kokoi kwa yokwi.
When I was in the campaign, they said, now the cabinet has said, instead of cows, let's give money.
Ikarado anatie medekere kwa yokwi. Report atetu nubora te koni kaka koni wano poko do cabinet do yeri wando mi chente.
And then the people can buy for themselves.
Wegyo pasha chera chen amonu chente gindo romo willo do giapirgi.
So I said, okay, I have not had time to be in the cabinet. I'm moving. I just use it by remote.
Ana de yoko akoni koporo pe pienchawa na do chani maybe cabinet pe ero jogoya chim umiange yonga me cabinet ko.
So I said, okay, the money is there. The money was transferred. Where is the money, Omona? Where is this money now? Omona, come.
Ana de yoko dongo ko bani chende da dong tie aduonga ma oloni Omona ni mirbiko kwena do chende tie chawa.
Thank you, Excellency. The money, 80 billion Uganda shillings, is now with the office of the Prime Minister.
Office in Kampala?
Yes, sir.
On the account for restocking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so the money is now there. But now, the issue was now, they were trying to use the other old list, which had a lot of problems. When they brought it, people said, but this is the list which were questioning. Translate.
Dokomi chene amedong omio mechol me duokolonyo medok ijinjo tie amedo tie I office of Prime Minister ento gino timere ni karme gino chaka kedi jondo ko chaka lo tike dok list jinjo ari achon amabo tikere meko becholo dokcha.
So we said, if this is a chon list, we need a new list.
So take one.
We need list manyen.
So you are me ojaho akurungu list amechulke Johnny iguma right you are no ojaho tidoke list achon tiari ukelo peko cha ete koni kama nono wana mitolisa nyenere.
So on the phone, because I have not had time to sit in the cabinet, just on the phone, I've said now you keep the money on the account, don't take it back to anything. We are remaining with 7 days for the elections. Let's finish the elections. Meanwhile, we shall get time to get list manyen. List manyen, oh yeah.
And the window get it, and the windy cheap, and tea moyo queen, tuno queen, bito queen. And the pony, Kado Cope, Lisa Chona Motikini, Kamanodon, Copo Webo Bedi, Chenini, Condom Don Kuno, Kondo Tieko Cope Yele, Mekwayo Query, Otito Wachen and Ni, Munglisa Niana Bear Motiuke, the Metuako, Yocholo Job.
List Manyan Oye. List Manyan Oye. Edarem Oye. The old man with the heart Oye. Lango Oye. Uganda Oye. East Africa Oye. Apoyo Rubaga. Let's give flags. There are other issues which they have raised here. In the manifesto, like the roads, like the hospital in Ogur. Those are all in the manifesto. We have the manifesto in the memorandum.
Mono berjanga me ruata ruara wano ugamo ti memorandum edo wano kete ti
None of them are part of our plan.
Mono do bedo program amedo wano ti kere.
Apoyo Mater.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Can we have the flag bearers for City and Lira district? Yes. Honorable Dr. Jane Acheng, Ogweng Eddie Morris, Honorable Denish.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.